The PlanoMatic P928 lays granulate coverings with a width of 2.80 meters for circular running tracks and all-weather sports grounds, safety surfaces on playgrounds, and elastic sub-bases for artificial turf on playing fields. Using electro-hydraulics, the PlanoMatic lowers itself from the transport wheels into its working position on the drive tracks. The extendable guide bar makes precise steering much easier. All functions can be comfortably operated from the driving seat, especially the driving speed, machine steering, and adjustment of the coating thickness. When a very even coating is required, a sensor and scanning device can be used. In this way, optimum leveling is achieved automatically. The driving direction can be precisely controlled from 4 positions, as required. The driving seat can be attached to either side of the machine. For coating the edges of fields, the seat can also be fitted at the back of the PlanoMatic. The curve radius can be automatically pre-selected. The PlanoMatic can of course also be driven using a generator. Thanks to the mounting device, the generator can be securely fixed to the machine. The whole unit can be swiveled and locked in position for safe transport. The PlanoMatic can also be set manually on its transport wheels and moved to the next work site.